Oh, my cell phone's really slow. I think I'm gonna go buy a new one. Oh, Ron, sorry. Have you ever wondered where your toothpaste comes from when you brush your teeth? If we all use it today, it's because someone found fluoride in the Earth's crust. Likewise, if you have windows in your house, it's because at some point someone discovered that we can make glass out of sand. However, it wasn't exactly obvious at first glance. Actually, everything we use daily comes from our planet's resources, and they're limited, even though we have a lot of sand on Earth. But if we're not careful, one day there won't be any left. And if you want an example of an object that requires a lot of resources and that you all have, look in your pocket. Let's see what's inside. Inside, we have gold, silver, nickel, copper, silica, and 13 other things that comes from what we call rare earth elements, which are materials we have to extract from the soil. Let's take a look at the battery. It contains cobalt, half of the world's production of which comes from the Democratic Republic of Congo, and lithium, which comes from South America. To extract these resources, we use a lot of water, destroy forests, and pollute the air and rivers. That's only for 2 of the 7 rare metals found in my phone. To obtain these elements, we have to dig and unearth a huge amount of rock to extract very small quantities. In many mines, a lot of polluting chemicals are used to sort and clean the rocks, as well as a significant amount of water. Then all these materials have to be transported to be assembled in factories. Not sure it's such a good idea to change your phone every year. So, what do? The most effective solution is to buy refurbished phones or to repair them when they break. Sometimes it's only the battery or the screen that needs to be changed. And finally, think about your needs. Do you really need that new phone 2 years after buying the one you already absolutely wanted? Plus, considering the cost to you and the environment, you better keep the one that you already have as long as it works. And this applies to many other devices besides your phone. Consuming less, repairing, and reusing are some of the best tools we have as individuals to change our practices. Ultimately, it's not the phone that destroys the planet. It's the rate of consumption.